welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Smoke and Mirrors from the 14th to the 18th of April 2025 on Monday. Thandiswa kills Caesar, but Phakathi is forced to arrest her, assuring her she will be exonerated. He announces Caesar's death, leaving Jason and Martha troubled on Tuesday. Thandiswa is concerned that Mpendulo might try to get revenge against Jason, and she asks Sakhile to keep an eye on him on Wednesday. Phakathi confronts Thandiswa about Mtheto's murder, but she shifts suspicions to Jason. Mandla is surprised to find Jason occupying Caesar's office on Thursday. Thandiswa stands at a crossroad as she begins to pack away Caesar's things and contemplate her next move. Sakhile warns her not to go after Jason and put it all behind her on Friday. Everyone is spooked about Mtheto's missing remains. Thandiswa is confronted by Caesar's family for killing him. Petunia and Sakhile have their hands full with the baby. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome.